Today we are going to perform an experiment to understand what is the effect of depth on liquid pressure. So let us begin. Now to do this experiment, I have taken a container filled with blue color liquid. Now what am I going to do is, I am going to mark 3 holes on this container. First at point A, second point B, third point C. Now if you are going to see, point A is at less depth from the top as compared to B, and C is more as compared to A and B. Now what will be the effect if I make 3 pinholes at point A, B and C? So let us see. First I am making hole at point A, then at B, then at C. Now as you can see, the water coming from hole C moves at a greater distance as compared to water coming from point B, and is more than as compared to water coming from point A. मतलब A से जो पानी आ रहा है वो बहुत ही पास में गिर रहा है, B से आ रहा है तो थोड़ा और दूर गिर रहा है, जो C से आ रहा है वो एकदम ज़्यादा दूर गिर रहा है. Means depth has some relation with the liquid pressure. What we can conclude from this, we can say as the depth increases, the pressure increases. मतलब जैसे जैसे डेप्थ बढ़ते जाएगा वैसे वैसे प्रेशर बढ़ते जाएगा. दैट इज द रीजन आई थिंक, इसलिए टैप हमेशा हम लोग एक्वागार्ड या टैप हमेशा हम लोग वाटर फिल्टर में नीचे की तरफ लगाते हैं टू गेट द मैक्सिमम प्रेशर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कम्स इज, डू द शेप ऑफ द कंटेनर अफेक्ट्स द लिक्विड प्रेशर? द आंसर इज नो. The liquid pressure does not depends upon the shape of the container. It only depends upon the height, or I can say it depends upon the depth. Okay, if I am going to consider from bottom, I am going to say it depends upon height. If I am going to consider from top, I am going to say it depends upon depth. Normally we say it depends upon depth because liquid pressure is measured from the height of the liquid column. So from this we conclude that liquid pressure depends upon the depth.